Hey guys, welcome back to Gearstorm, where we dive deep into the details of the most incredible machines on the road. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury isn't just promised, it's engineered into every stitch, every surface, and every whisper of the engine. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, a car that doesn't simply move you from point A to point B. It transforms every journey into an event worthy of champagne and string quartets. From the very first glance, the Phantom commands attention in a way only a Rolls-Royce can. The iconic Pantheon grille stands tall and proud at the front, hand-polished to a mirror finish, flanked by laser-cut headlights that merge classic rectangular elegance with cutting-edge laser technology. The daytime running lights form a delicate halo, giving the Phantom an unmistakable presence, even from a distance. Above it all, the spirit of ecstasy stands gracefully at the prow, now subtly illuminated for 2026, gliding forward as if leading the car into a new era. The long, sweeping hood is as much sculpture as sheet metal, with perfect proportions that lead into the coach doors, a Rolls-Royce signature that instantly sets it apart from anything else on the road. The side profile is pure elegance, with an unbroken shoulder line that runs the length of the car. You notice the immense wheelbase, designed to give rear passengers more legroom than some first-class airline suites. The paintwork is applied in multiple hand-finished layers, and for 2026, there are new bespoke colors inspired by elements of nature, from deep ocean blues to sunset golds. Even the wheels are engineered for silence, with self-leveling center caps that ensure the R emblem always sits upright, no matter how fast you're gliding. Step inside, and the Phantom's interior is less of a cabin and more of a private lounge on wheels. The doors open rear-hinged, welcoming you into an atmosphere of absolute serenity. You're greeted by the scent of the finest leather, sourced from hides free of any imperfections and meticulously stitched by master craftsmen. The dashboard can be personalized with Rolls-Royce's Gallery concept, a protected glass panel where owners can display commissioned artwork, whether it's precious metals, intricate embroidery, or even hand-painted landscapes. Ambient lighting is softer and more customizable for 2026, with new color gradients that subtly shift to suit your mood or the time of day. The seats are not just heated and cooled. They can massage you with multiple programmable settings while adjusting to your body shape with near-invisible precision. Every surface you touch, from the lamb's wool floor mats to the knurled metal controls, remind you that no detail is too small for perfection. Moving to the rear, where most Phantom owners will spend their time, you'll find a sanctuary of space and silence. The rear seats recline with a gentle, almost ceremonial motion. A starlight headliner sparkles above you, with thousands of fiber optic lights creating a personal night sky that can even be customized to display constellations of your choice. Pull down the center armrest and you'll discover crystal decanters, champagne flutes, and a cool compartment for your favorite vintage. Dual entertainment screens rise silently from the seatbacks, linked to a premium audio system tuned so precisely that it feels like a live performance is happening just for you. Thanks to Rolls-Royce's magic carpet ride suspension, even the roughest road becomes as smooth as glass. Performance in the Phantom is never about brute force. It's about effortless power. Under that sculpted hood lies a 75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. But those numbers don't tell the full story. What matters is how that power arrives. The Phantom accelerates with an almost eerie smoothness, reaching 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, but doing so without the slightest sense of strain. The 8-speed satellite-aided transmission uses GPS data to anticipate upcoming terrain and corners, always choosing the perfect gear before you even need it. Road and wind noise are virtually eliminated thanks to over 300 pounds of sound-insulating materials, double-glazed windows, and tires designed specifically to suppress resonance. Around the back, the Phantom retains its clean, dignified styling. Subtle chrome accents frame, the LED taillights, and the split-opening trunk provides access to a surprisingly spacious luggage compartment, lined, naturally, in the same high-quality materials as the cabin. Whether you're loading tailored suitcases or a set of golf clubs, it's all handled with the same grace as the rest of the car. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is not a mass-market car. It's a statement, a rolling expression of personal taste and success. Pricing starts at around $500,000, but most buyers choose bespoke features that push the total far beyond that figure. And that's exactly the point. No two Phantoms are alike, because each is built to reflect the unique vision of its owner. In a world chasing trends and speed, the Phantom stands as a reminder that true luxury is timeless. That's it for today's deep dive here on Gearstorm. If the Phantom has reminded you what automotive artistry really looks like, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.